To set up notification on the Smart Guardian app, we come to the profile icon at the top left part of the screen, click on that, and then scroll down to Notifications. We select Notification, and from here at the top right, we can see the gear icon. We click on it, and we then need to turn on notification for the particular device we want. In this situation, we have only this NVR. We click beside the NVR to turn on notifications, and when it is on, you can then see that the gear icon appears. Click on it. Now you can set notifications for different things. We'll be leaving all as they are and clicking Save. Once we do, we'll see Save Succeed at the bottom of the screen, confirming the save was successful. Now we can go back and then try to trigger the notifications that we just set. Now if I put my hand in front of the camera, it's going to detect that as a movement and we'll see the notifications. You can see at the top left that it is detecting some motions. We can see motion detected. This is how to set up notifications and customize notification on the Smart Guardian application.